might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. Here in Georgia, it's a little overcast right now and windy. And I'm going to be cooking tonight for our dinner meal. I'm going to be cooking an oven meal, and it's going to have chicken in it and potatoes and green beans. So let me get started on this easy meal. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my potatoes in half. And these are yellow potatoes. Okay, and today it's supposed to be stormy later on this evening, and the wind's already picking up. Okay, so now then I'm going to put my chicken in here, and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, and I'm going to be seasoning it with Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. And I'm using 3 chicken breasts. Okay. All right. Okay. So I got those in there now. So now then I'm going to put my potatoes in. Okay, and so the next thing I'm going to do is put my green beans in. Okay. So now then I'm going to put a little olive oil on them. Okay. Put a little salt. Just put how much you want your own self. little black pepper. A little Italian seasoning. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. And some paprika. And I'm going to put in a little Italian dressing. All right, I have all my seasonings on now, and so I'm going to cover this dish, and I'm going to cook it in the oven at 350 degrees for anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour, and then I'll be back to do the taste test. Okay, I did put 3 pats of butter on it, and then I did put just a little bit more paprika on it. Okay, I'm back, and my meal, it cooked for a total of 50 minutes, and my chicken got to 165. And so I'm ready to do the taste test. So
Marie, I know it sure does smell good.
it really does, doesn't it?
Yes.
So I think what I'll do is I'll just try to get this out up under here like that. And get a few of these potatoes. The fork went in them really good. And I'll get some of these green beans.
Those potatoes must be hot, Marie.
The whole pan is. Okay, so now that I'm going to do the taste test. Okay, could cut it with a fork. It's very flavorful, the chicken is. And I won't taste everything. But the chicken is very flavorful.
Try the green beans.
Okay, Kevin wants me to try the green beans.
Did they get tender?
Very tender, and they're very good. So good.
Well, I'm looking forward to it. That's one of my favorite meals is chicken and green beans and potatoes.
This was a real easy meal. It just took about 50 minutes to fix. And I think it's delicious. And actually, it didn't take 50 minutes to fix. It took a few minutes to fix, but it took about 50 minutes to cook. And so it's really a good weeknight meal. Really good. So I think if you try it this way and use these seasonings, that you'll really enjoy this oven vegetable and chicken meal. Okay, so me and Calvin is going to really enjoy this meal. So we're going to go sit over here at the dining room table and enjoy it, aren't we, Calvin?
We sure are.
Okay, so we'll see you on the next video. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And like I said, we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love, love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of.